Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to come to you guys and show you some of the inventory that I just received for my business. Just like I said before, I own a business where I sell fashion accessories, which are African and Haitian culture based. So I have Ankara head wraps, I sell bonnets, I also have our signature Haiti handbag, and I just ordered a few more things. I wanted to kind of show you guys what I received. So it's my first time opening this. I had this package for like, I don't know, a few days now, and I'm just not opening it because I wanted to save it for you guys. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is how big the package is. I have two. Let's open the first one. So these should be all of our bonnets. And yeah, I think what I'm seeing are bonnets. Okay. So let's open the second package and then we're gonna go through and I can show you guys the different prints. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Like, who else gets so excited when they get inventory? And I've been selling out of these bonnets, and I'm so happy to receive new ones. So look at this. You guys see this color? This is inside. So all of our bonnets are double lined. And we have a few different prints. So we have this one, and it comes in a medium and a large. This is the medium size. Let me show you guys the other print. This is another nice print, and this is the inside. Okay, and that's also medium size. This one is my favorite. This is Gia. If you go on my site, this is Gia. How pretty. And this is the inside. So nice. Okay, this is also a medium size. I'm not gonna open all of them for you guys. Let's see. These are medium. I'm trying to find a large. I have to show you guys. This is a large. This is also another print. Okay, so this is another print that we have. You see it. You see it. And this is inside of it. This one is also gold inside. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is another print that we have, and inside of it is purple. Okay, so we have 3, and let me show you guys my top seller, my eighth boom, my favorite print, which I ordered and like everything. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys in a large size. I'm not really like a big fan of red like that, but this print is everything and then some. So this is the large size, and of course inside is gold. Most of the head wraps, the insides are gold. Some of them are purple. I don't know if people really care, but they are reversible. So I don't know if people have preference as far as like the inside, but this is it when you reverse it. You know, if you don't want all the, you know, the print, just want like a gold head wrap. If you just want a gold bonnet, you can reverse it and get the plain side versus having like the prints. So this is the large, like I said. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in a medium. So I believe this is a medium size. All right, let's do the comparison. Large, medium. So you could see the difference, how big. So the large or extra large, whatever you want to call it, is good for big hairstyles. So right now I have the faux locks on. So let me show you guys what they look like on me. So I'm gonna take the one out that I'm gonna keep, because you know I need one for myself too. So I'm gonna take those 2. Okay, because you know they want to be trying on the merchandise. So those 2 are my faves. So I'm gonna go with those 2. So this is a medium size. Okay, and you just kind of stuff it in. When I stuff it, you guys can see the space right here, and this is the medium. All right, so to me this fits perfect. There's no extra fabric anywhere. I can put this on my edges so it can kind of let it lay flat, because the sides are pretty thick, and I'm good to go with this one, and it's cute. Okay, now let me try on the extra large or large size for you guys. So this is it right here. You guys can already see how much bigger it is. You see that? And this is the medium. This is the large size. Okay? So again, you could put it on your edges, because the band is pretty thick and wide, so it can actually hold down your edges, and it's silk lined, so it will protect your edges, and also, you know, your whole hair, if you have natural hair or not, or whatever hair you have, it will protect it. You could push it back for a little fashion, or you could just leave it like that. So this is the large size if you have really big hairstyle, a lot of braids and crochet style, so you can kind of put it inside. But yeah, so this is the 2 sizes that we have. Okay, and then whew, I feel like I'm sitting in a world of bonnets, guys. Like, what? Ah! Look at this. Bonnets. Okay, so the other shipment that I received are the bags that I use to make my Haiti, the luxury Haiti bag. So this is like a full clear bag that I use for that. So I ordered a few more. So I'll open one. This is like a white one. I ordered a white and more of the clear ones, and I ordered a red so I can see what that looks like. So ooh. The white is kind of nice. Okay, this is the white one. That's really nice, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep that in my stove with or without the Haitian emblem on it. Okay, and let's check out the red to see what it looks like. So this is the red in the package. Wow. The red is a transparent red. I thought it would be like a solid red, which would look even better. But the transparent red is kind of cute. It's different because I've never seen anyone with this bag. So this is so dope. And it has the chain. So usually when you have this bag, you have the long chain with it. But this one also comes with a small chain. So wow, that's kind of pretty. I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is what I have for you guys right now. I do have more coming in. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of videos. I'm going to film the next one once I get all my bags and more head wraps and more bonnets. Also, my mask. I do have masks also on the website, which I'm selling out. So once I get more of that inventory, which might be next week or so, I'm going to do another video and upload that so you guys can see some behind the scenes of, you know, how the business is going, you know, me receiving inventory and how I'm sorting it and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put those away. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.